I'm trying to flip with this strategy. Is a live account, just as you can see. Take a look at it. It's a live account, and I'm just taking few trades. I deposited $29.9, okay, just to test out this, okay, and I've taken just 4 trades, and it's playing out well. Just take a look at it. It's a flipping, like, it's a crazy. And then on a live account, small live account, you can see the account is flipped already. Like, it's almost getting to times 3 of what I deposited. Just take a look at it on Kwakol synthetic indices. Look at what I deposited. I've made series of videos and review on this. I mean, you can actually use this strategy on any trading instrument, okay, at all. Just to learn the techniques, trust the system, the process, have a working strategy like this one. Then don't over leverage, be patient, and then you are ready to pay yourself. So